All right, let's talk about how you can display every other row with a formula in Excel. So here we have some basic data. We have the name, number. Typically, you would consider this to be bad data to analyze because it's not formatted consistently, and it would be hard to create any sort of dashboard or formula to analyze this data. So what we want to do is in this column is we want to include all the new data. So we want to list it 56, 34, 47. We don't care about the names in this case. We just want to list the numbers. So we want to list every other cell. Now we could obviously manually type that in, but that would take absolutely forever, especially if you have a large data set. So we'll use a formula to help us. Now, one thing to note is in order for this formula to work, you cannot have a header. You need your data to start in the first cell. So what we can do is just move all of our data up one and replace, removing our header. And now we'll type equals index, and it's going to ask us for our array. Our array is going to be our data range, or it's easiest just to select the entire column. So we'll select the entire column here, comma, and then we're going to do kind of a function within a function, and we'll use the rows function here. Our array here will be our first number that we want to display, or our second cell in this case. So we'll select B2, and we're going to want to put a $sign in between the B and the 2, or in between the column and the row number, like so. Then we'll hit a colon and select that exact same cell, B2, end parenthesis, and we're going to want to times that by 2, end parenthesis. So basically what this is doing is this rows function is assigning a number to each of these rows. And then the index is going to search the rows within this range and display the number that's found in that particular row. So we'll go ahead and hit enter, and that will be 56. Now we can click this square in the bottom right corner, drag that down as far as we'd like until we hit 0, and we can notice that all of this data is being displayed, every other, or just the numbers. But there you have it. That's how you can display every other row with a formula in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.